guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be opening up our Sephora Play Box for January 2019. If you did not know, this box is $10 a month and you get 5 deluxe makeup, skincare, hair care items, and then you also get a beauty bonus, and then you get 50 Sephora Insider points to add to your Sephora account. You can use them in-store or online. But yeah, without further ado, let's just go ahead and hop right into it. Okay, so once you open it up, it looks just like this. You get this giant card right here. This has your insider points right there. And then it'll also have the theme of the box as well as everything we're getting. It will not list the values on it, so I will always put that down below and then add up the value of the box if you're interested in that. And then I also put down there whether things are cruelty-free if I don't know at the time of filming, if you care about that as well. Okay, let's just go ahead and see what we have. So it comes in this little bag just like this. Let's see what we have first. Okay, so the first thing I'm pulling out is from Sunday Riley. It is the Good Genes Lactic Acid Treatment. Deeply exfoliates for a clear and radiant complexion, visibly brightens the appearance of hyperpigmentation, and instantly plumps the look of fine lines and wrinkles. So this is something I'm definitely interested in trying. As you get older, maybe it's just me, I feel like I do get little like spots on my face, like discoloration or like I said, hyperpigmentation. So I will definitely be trying this out. It is cruelty-free. Let's go ahead and see what it actually looks like. So I'm not sure why they put it in this little thing, but it is this right here. It's just a little tiny tube right here. So yeah, very cool. Okay, let's see what we have next. Okay, so the next thing I'm pulling out is Marajo. I'm not sure how you say that. Marajo, I'm not sure, probably Marajo. This is a nourishing cleansing cream and then a deep treatment butter for your hair. I've never heard of this brand or tried this brand, so I'm not sure if it's cruelty-free. But not really a huge fan of foil samples, so, but this is just the beauty bonus, so it's not technically counted as an item in your bag. So I might try this out, I might not. It is decently full in there for somebody with hair my length, so I could probably get a use out of this. So got that. Okay, let's see what else we have. Okay, so the next thing I have is from Belif. This is the Aqua Bomb Sleeping Mask. This is not cruelty-free, that I do know. I've gotten this so many times in these bags, and it's like the tiniest little thing. It's 5 milliliters. Anyways, so it's just like an overnight hydrating mask that you wear to hydrate your skin. But yeah, got that. Okay, let's see what else we have. Oh, awesome. So the next thing I'm pulling out is from Drunk Elephant. This is the Lala Retro Whipped Cream Facial Moisturizer. So it's just this, whoop, yikes, sorry about that. It's just a little tiny little pot right here. It has pretty much no scent on it. Yeah, it's unscented. It feels very moisturizing. I do really like Drunk Elephant stuff. I've only gotten one thing from it, but it was a mask that I really, really like. So definitely excited to get this. This is cruelty-free. All right, let's see what's next. Okay, so this is from Beauty Blender. It is a Blendercleanser Solid Pro. It's like this little plastic thing. I'm not sure what exactly this is. Let's see. Oh, okay. So it's actually not plastic. It's just a little like bar of soap. So I'm reading on the card here. It says a charcoal infused soap that removes excess product, dirt, and oil from makeup tools. So yeah, definitely interested in trying this out. Beauty Blender is cruelty-free, that I do know. I normally use Castile soap on my makeup tools, but definitely interested in trying out something specifically for a beauty blender. So got that. Okay, one more thing in here. Oh, awesome. So this is a lipstick from Bite Beauty in the shade Glace. Let's see, I have a color very similar to this. I wonder if this is the one I have. I'm gonna go check. Okay, so I was right. I actually do have, this is my Glace right here, and then here's the one I got. So I will go ahead and swatch the one I already have so I can give the other one away. It is a matte cream lip crayon. Bronx loves that. So there it is. It is a really, really pretty color. It's like a mauve sort of color is what I would categorize it. It's the kind that feels really hydrating on your lips. But yeah, I really, really, really love Bite Beauty. I think they have really amazing lip products. It's the only thing I've tried for them. But yeah, excited to get another one to give away to somebody. So that's all I got in this box this month. So I have, I'm really excited about the Beauty Blender cleaning tool. Excited about the Bite Beauty. I love, love, love Bite Beauty. And excited about the Drunk Elephant face cream and the Sunday Riley cream. I only have one thing in here that's not cruelty free for sure, and then one I have to research. So overall, I like this this box. It is a little skincare heavy, but it's good skincare. Like, the stuff is really nice, so I'm excited to play with that, and then really, really excited for the Beauty Blender cleaner. So yeah, overall, one of the better boxes for me from Sephora Play. What did you guys think of this box? What did you get in your box? I like that Sephora Play has like variations so everybody can get different boxes. I'm very interested to hear if you guys got anything different from me, so make sure you put that in the comments down below. But yeah, that's all I have for today's video. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this from me, more unboxings, all that good stuff, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right there. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.